Hi guys, Dalton here. Today I'm going to walk you through Booqable, which is a powerful rental software designed to help businesses manage their inventory, orders, customers, and even integrate with marketing tools. If you are new to Booqable and wondering how to get started, don't worry because in this tutorial I'll guide you step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an account, navigate the dashboard, add products and customers, and integrate with other platforms. Booqable is a cloud-based rental software built specifically for rental businesses of all sizes, whether you rent out equipment, vehicles, party supplies, or any other type of product. Booqable helps streamline your operations. It combines inventory management, order tracking, payments, customer data, and integrations in one place. The best part is that you don't need advanced technical knowledge to use it. Everything is designed to be simple, intuitive, and easy to learn. To create your Booqable account, open your preferred browser and search for Booqable.com. On the home page, click on the Start Free Trial button. This will take you to the registration page where you need to enter your email address, a strong password, and your company name. After filling in these details, click on Start Free Trial. The next page will ask for more details. Enter your first name, last name, country, and phone number, and then click on Continue. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the business page where you have to select your business name and then click Continue. Now, Booqable will ask about your business type and product that you want to rent out. Select the most relevant option and then click Continue. After this, you will need to provide more information about your business, such as when you started your operations, the revenue of your rental business in the last 12 months, and the number of employees in your rental team. Once you enter this information, click Continue. Your account is now ready and you will be taken to your Booqable dashboard. The dashboard in Booqable is designed to be user-friendly. On the left side, there is a left menu that includes all the main tabs such as New Order, Calendar, Orders, Customers, Inventory, Documents, Online Store, App Store, and Products. This layout makes it easy to switch between managing customers, creating products, and checking orders all in one place. Let's start with one of the most important parts: adding products. To add a product, click on the New Order option in the left menu. A new window will open, and here you'll see the Create Product button. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the new product page. On this page, the first step is to enter the product name. This is a required field and will be visible to customers in your online store and documents. You can also upload an image of the product by clicking on the Upload option or dragging and dropping a file. Images are recommended because they make it easier for customers to identify products. Next, under Product Type, you need to choose one of three options. Select Rental Product if the item is meant to be rented and then returned. Select Sales Item if you are selling an item instead of renting it. The third option is Service, which you can use for services such as delivery or setup fees related to rentals. Then comes the pricing section. You can choose how you want to charge customers for the product. If you want to set a fixed rate, choose Flat Rate and then enter an amount, for example, 50 rupees per day. You can also change the unit from day to week, month, or any other option. If you don't want to add pricing right away, you can select Other/No pricing. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or models, you can enable variations. This way, when the customers place an order, they can select the exact variation they want. Once you've filled out all the information, scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom right corner. Your new product is now created and ready to be used in orders. Now let me show you how to add a customer in Booqable. From the left menu, click on the Customers tab. This will take you to the Customers page where you can see existing customers. To add a new customer, click on the Add Customer button. Once you click it, a form will appear where you need to fill in customer details. Start with the customer name, which will be used on invoices and documents. Under the Information section, enter the email address of the customer. The customer wants to receive updates. You can check the box that says subscribed to marketing emails. You can also select whether this customer is an individual or business. On the right side, under the settings section, you can enter a discount percentage if you want to assign special pricing to this customer. You can also select a tax profile. If no tax profile exists yet, you can create one by following the link. In the Custom Fields section, you can add extra details like phone number or any other information your business might require. Under the Main Address section, you need to enter the country, first name, last name, address, city, and postcode. If the customer has multiple addresses, you can add them by clicking Add Address. Scroll down and you will see the security deposit section. By default, this is set to products 100%, which means customers are charged the full deposit. You can change it to none, other amount, product security deposit value, or fixed amount, depending on your business needs. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Save button at the bottom right to finalize adding the customer. All right, now let's talk about integrations. To integrate Booqable with other platforms, click on the App Store tab in the left menu. This will take you to the App Store page where you can see all available integrations. Here you'll find apps like Accessible, CartStack, Deliveries, Google Analytics, Light Widget, and MailChimp. Each app comes with its own features. For example, if you want to improve accessibility on your store, you can use Accessible. Here you'll find apps like Accessible, CartStack, Deliveries, Google Analytics, Light Widget, and MailChimp. Each app comes with its own features. For example, if you want to improve accessibility on your store, you can use Accessible. If you want to track your visitors and conversions, use Google Analytics. Let's take MailChimp as an example. Click on the MailChimp box in the App Store. This will open its integration page where you can see the overview, features, and pricing. MailChimp helps you create customer lists, create automated email workflows, run campaigns, and collect feedback. To connect it, click on the Install App button. A pop-up will appear asking you to log into your MailChimp account. Enter your credentials and authorize the connection. Once it's connected, Booqable and MailChimp will sync data automatically. This means your customer details in Booqable will flow into MailChimp, allowing you to run targeted email campaigns. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. Booqable offers 3 main subscription plans to choose from. The first plan is called Small, which is priced at $34 per month. This plan is best suited for new rental businesses looking for essential tools to get started, including features like inventory management, automated availability tracking, and CRM with email. The second plan is the Medium plan, which costs $87 per month. This is designed for growing rental businesses and includes everything from the Small plan, along with additional features such as product bundles, barcodes, consumables, recurring orders, and booking site customization. The third plan is the Large plan, priced at $189 per month. This plan is ideal for larger teams and established businesses. It offers everything included in the Medium plan, plus features like user permissions, advanced reporting, API access, and bulk actions, making it perfect for managing bigger rental operations at scale. For businesses with more advanced needs, Booqable also provides a Scale plan that starts at $499 per month. This plan includes unlimited sites, dedicated onboarding support, and advanced customization options, making it tailored for enterprises and organizations that need full control over their rental operations. And that's it. In this tutorial, I showed you how to create a Booqable account, understand the dashboard, add products, add customers, and integrate the software with other platforms. Booqable is designed to save you time and make managing your rental business much easier. With these basics in place, you can now explore more advanced features and customize it to your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know what software you'd like me to cover next.